This is my 2015 Suzuki GSXR 1000. Right now I have the Voodoo exhaust on it, which is, I mean, let's just be honest, they're god awful. But if that's what you want, well, congratulations, you can live with that, like I have lived with it for the past 3 years. Now I'm upgrading to a Two Brothers, but I'm gonna let you hear the Voodoo real quick, and then we will open up to the Two Brothers and see how we're looking on it. Now let's open up the Two Brothers.
All right, so we got the same bike, different scenery, and I've been sick the past couple days, so figured why not make one of my sick days productive and go ahead and get this exhaust thrown on. The install is pretty easy, guys. The biggest thing is the lack of room. So once you're up in there, and the best thing I can do, I use zip ties to make my radiator stay forward while I could work on getting the header bolts out. That being said, everything else on this exhaust is super simple to install, and the sound of this thing is simply amazing. So from the Voodoo to the Two Brothers, we'll get over here because, you know, these 2015 models, they still like to have the clutch pulled in before you can crank them. Guys, so that's it. That's the full-on video that I was really planning to make, was just a before and after, and I went from a Voodoo to the Two Brothers. I've had the Voodoo on for a little over 3 years. You know, it's for what it is. It did what I wanted it to do, and I wanted it loud, so it did its job. But then once you get tired of it being loud, you start wanting sound with function, and honestly, the Two Brothers is the one that, after reading reviews and talking to friends, the Two Brothers is the system I wanted to go with. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with a bracket that mounts behind your foot peg, which replaces this bolt, and then the bracket mounts with a nut on the back side and mounts it there. The O2 sensor gets plugged back in. It comes with an adapter for it. Really, that's it. I mean, this was super easy to do. It literally took, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say, oh, it only took 30 minutes. No, it took a little while to do, but I didn't do it in a hurry. I took my time. I didn't time it to see how long it took either. I think it roughly took me like 3 hours, but like I said, I wasn't in a hurry, and I was just taking my time with it. So that being said, hope this answers any questions, maybe sells you on a Two Brothers exhaust if you want one. Love this thing. It sounds amazing. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.